So this is the chicken chop suey old style, the way they served it at my grandfather's restaurant, the Napa Cafe. So we use the Walmart roast chicken. So the first time I ate it, I called it punishment chop suey. Today I'm going to show you how to cut and cook with Napa cabbage, also known as SUIEY in Chinese, where the leaves are kind of old. I cut off the other side. Go like this. After you wash it, just cut it down the middle here. We're gonna take out the center stalk here. So just go like that. Yeah, just like 1 inch length. So in the old traditional Napa Cafe chop suey, we use canned bamboo shoots. So here we have a can. So this little tin can of bamboo shoots will make maybe 3 or 4 orders. So you don't need that much. It's already pre-sliced. The water chestnuts. So this is also a canned water chestnut. Slice the water chestnuts in half. Little tin can of water chestnuts will make about 3 or 4 orders. You just need to slice in half. First you preheat a wok at medium-high to high heat. So I'm going to add some cooking oil. You can add peanut oil. You can use canola oil, whatever you like. 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of smashed ginger, 1 to 2 tablespoons of smashed garlic. So I like ginger, so I'll put more of it in. That's my personal preference, but you can put as much as you want. So give that a quick stir fry. Smell the nice fragrance of the ginger and the garlic. So ginger and garlic are aromatics, bring up flavor when you stir fry.
Adding the water chestnuts will give the chop suey a nice crunchy texture. Adding the bamboo shoots will also give some nice taste and texture.
I have a small onion I cut up. I got about 2 stalks celery chop up.
Now add 1 to 2 cups of bean sprouts. Sometime in my grandfather's restaurant we didn't have any bean sprouts, so you can omit it if you don't have any.
So next I'm going to put in the Napa cabbage, the SUIEY. Only takes about 3 or 4 minutes to cook. So I'm going to put that in right now. So this is the old style of cooking. We used to use SUIEY a lot, Napa cabbage. So nowadays they use bok choy, they use other kind of veggies. So now we're going to put 1 cup of chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can use this chicken soup base. Put about 1 tablespoon into a cup of boiling water. So just like that. So once you put that over the Napa cabbage, the SUIEY, it will shrink the Napa cabbage down real quick. Next, I'm just going to put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. So this is the saltier of the two. The dark soy sauce is more sweet. It's more for color. I'm going to put 2 or 3 tablespoons of this oyster flavor sauce, my favorite sauce. So this is optional, but I like oyster flavor sauce. I'm going to put in the chicken from the Walmart chicken I got. So just put the chicken in there. So this is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/3 cup of water. We're going to thicken the sauce. When you pour it in, you can see the sauce thicken up. Sometimes you might need more of the cornstarch solution, also known as the slurry solution. Sometimes you need less, so it's really just see what it turns out first. So there you have it. Old style chicken chop suey, the way they served it at my grandfather's restaurant, the Napa Cafe. And so when I ate it the first time, I called it the punishment chop suey.
The story about punishment chop suey begins with us living above my grandfather's restaurant, the Napa Cafe. So we accessed to go upstairs to the back. And one day my dad came upstairs and it made one of my brothers and I stand because we had gotten into trouble. Not sure for what. Either we were fighting or making a lot of noise. And they probably could hear it downstairs in the restaurant. So we stood there for a long time. Seemed like a half an hour, probably less. And then my dad also brought some chop suey from the restaurant downstairs. I was about to faint. So then my dad took a couple bites of the chop suey. I don't think he liked it very much. And he put it on the table. Then my mom fed us the chop suey. It was the first time I had takeout chop suey, and I didn't like it. That's why I called it punishment chop suey. Over the years, I've really come to enjoy eating this chop suey. And since no restaurant serves it anymore, I have to make it myself.
You can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe.